Live. I just want to hear everything's right. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full disclosure, I'm Roben Farzad, and we are live with Nightingale ice cream sandwiches. Live from the UR's Roben School of Business, the mashup crazy dessert seemingly everyone on the East Coast is talking about. The husband-wife chef team behind this RVA bread phenomenon traversed pretty unusual roads to get here, including marine mess halls, Belgian recipes linked back to King Leopold himself,
And my grandfather.
and even the town's best burger. You're going to want to stick around for this story. Do stay with us. This special live show is made possible by the support of Reservoir Distillery, from grain to glass, making handcrafted bourbon and whiskey in Richmond, Virginia since 2008. Reservoir Distillery, never sourced. More at reservoirdistillery.com. By Evo Advisors, offering financial advice that is globally experienced and locally based for those who have more than a 401k to manage. Visit goevoadvisors.com. That's goevoadvisors.com. By ACG, family-owned providers of wealth accumulation and tax reduction strategies for business owners and individuals in Richmond for over 30 years. More at acgworldwide.com. And by Dominion Payroll, offering payroll, HR, timekeeping, and pre-employment solutions to meet all of your business needs. Please visit dominionpayroll.com. And last but not least, the Roben School of Business, a fully accredited, highly ranked undergraduate business school that is also part of a highly ranked liberal arts university. With a full MBA program and executive education offerings, the Roben School offers hands-on opportunities for both undergrads and working professionals. Learn more at robins.richmond.edu. Joining me on stage at the University of Richmond's, wait for it, Roben School of Business, is the couple behind Nightingale ice cream sandwiches, the dessert seemingly everyone on the East Coast is talking about. Pollack and Xavier Meers, the husband-wife culinary team that's been slinging these thick sandwiches for 3.5 years. Welcome.
Thank you.
All right, another dad joke-laden anecdote. I met this wonderful couple at a live show that I did in October called Taste the Midterms, which we had 2 chefs come and do, and we had the correspondence visit from NBC and CBS and ABC. And I thought the chefs, I just gave them agency to bring their own dessert. And so they ordered 250 ice cream sandwiches. And next thing I see is people leaving the dining room and being regaled by this couple, and he's cutting things off and drizzling them with bourbon glaze and nonpareils and everything. And I'm thinking that they're employees of this massive conglomerate, Nightingale. And I go up to Xavier, I was like, this is amazing. You know, I've been trying to look for the Fat Elvis sandwich. Do you know about the Fat Elvis sandwich? There would not be a Fat Elvis without me.
I'm the Fat Elvis. I mean, we used to call him the Fat Elvis, but...
The upshot is that they were stealing like Christmas gigs. Clients were hiring them left and right. It was so busy, and I met this charismatic couple, and I said, we have to have a dedicated show on them. So, and here it is. I want to know when you guys met. Take me back to your original Richmond story.
Do you want to
Well,
start?
we met 10 years ago. So Xavier came over from Belgium 10 years ago to open Bellevue, which is his first restaurant. And 10 years ago, I was still in culinary school, and I went to his restaurant, and I was making the salads and desserts. I was 22, and I just worked with him, and I worked my way up to be his sous chef, and we worked together for 5 years. And we had just the best time working together and cooking together, and that's how we first met.
So, fast forward to Cafe Bruxelles, which was when I next heard about Xavier. If I remember, I go back and look at the clips in 2015 and 2016. There was this burger that everybody talked about, east of the museum district, and then it was no longer. What happened?
Yeah, I was a little sad because I came from Belgium and tried to cook a lot of fancy food, and everybody would talk about this burger. So when I opened Brussels Cafe, I cook mussels and burger, because that's what everybody wanted here. And I was super happy. I'm on the stand after, and then all my fancy little food don't make any sense. They just want a good meat, good burgers, and I make this burger with all the shit that I have from like ribeye or filet mignon.
So like
And I-
when
and I
you
mix
trim,
it
when you
with
trim
burger.
the fillet and ribeye, you
Yeah.
have a lot of leftover meat. And so we would grind that into.
That make the best meat in the
Yeah,
world.
so you got little bits of fillet and little bits of ribeye in the burger. Plus we would add ground beef into it and then,
And a lot of truffle.
yeah.
That's why we have the best burger in Richmond. Yeah.
So you would think this would continue, it was getting great buzz. What about we talked about it before, the economics of the restaurant business. That location in the kind of the nether region of Main Street was kind of cursed in the past. Was at Peacock Cafe, these other places. It's kind of like the Willow Lawn of.
It's a great neighborhood. No, I have a lot of fun. In that place, we have a lot of fun. I mean, I have because she quit my place for be her own chef.
At Bellevue, I left
Yeah.
because I wanted to be a chef on my own and I wanted to just strike out on my own. And so I left and I just left to be a chef on my own. So Ruxell's Cafe was just.
You didn't even give him an ultimatum at Bellevue and say, make me.
Well, there was
Make
no
me what?
place I could go. It was either chef or quit.
Did you beg her to stay?
No way. Then she quit. So no, it was fun.
Would you quit on amicable terms?
Oh, I mean, yeah, I mean, we were together, we got married.
I kick her out.
Yeah, that's not true, that's not true, I left.
You went to Greenleaf Pool Room?
Well, I was at a restaurant in Chester called Divine. And it was a European restaurant, and then I left because I wanted to come to the city where it was all happening.
Stole all my recipes.
Again, not true. I took some recipes.
Just-
I made them better.
So, if I may ask, in the interest of full disclosure, when did you become an item, as it was? An item?
I'm glad I don't understand English. What?
It has a certain je ne sais quoi, I don't have the word for it, but anyway.
No comprende.
It's a little.
I think it's right after Bellevue when she tried going on your own and we started dating and we have a lot of things in common and sharing a lot of
You wanted to
But
make sure I
that
stayed.
if we can still private.
Okay, all right, fine, I won't go there. You're Belgian, I didn't think this was like church and state stuff, but anyway. European, yes. So, this ice cream sandwich, I understand you lost the lease or it came up, it was due on Ruxell Cafe, and you were kind of in a fork in the road. Do I want to do this? Do I want to take on the?
Oh no, for be honest, Anna, every time that she come home for new special, she's always asking me for my advice.